Eazybot handle a market crash, and how many % of market crash can Eazybot survive and even make profit? So these questions are the ones we are going to check in today, and I also have an example for you from my own dashboard. So this is what I wanted to show you, because many people are asking me or telling me their doubts that trading bots generally only perform well in the bull market, but not in the bear market. That in bear markets, most of the bots are failing and you just lose all your money assigned to the bot. So that's why I really want to dive into today, and I want to show you how Eazybot is performing in this down market, in this bear market. And as a small spoiler, Eazybot claims that they are able to handle 50 to 90% of market crash easily. And this is definitely a big amount, and people are doubting, which I can totally understand. So without further doing, if you like this kind of content, just hit me a like, subscribe to my channel, and also if you have any further questions, just let me know down below in the comments. And also if you just want to support me for the algorithm, leave down below a comment, and let's dive into it, and I'll show you my dashboard. So as you can see here now, I have currently 4 bots open. Each of them is $1,000 assigned, and the best performing as of now is the curve down, but it can change anytime, so don't worry about this. Also, I have with some of the bots, they are still open trades, so yeah, as soon as these trades are closed, it will also make a bigger jump. So let's check the curve Dow. I opened this on the 3rd of August. I always recommend to add next to the name also the start date. So this is much easier for you to compare your bots and your profits later on, especially if you just add other bots, like let's say 2 or 3 weeks later or even a few months later. So I definitely recommend you adding this date also. So the trade I want to show you is not one of the latest, but let's scroll a bit down. And this is the one. As you can see here, it's the curve Dow. It's opened on the 14th of August and closed on the 9th of September. So just few days ago. And you can see here, initial buy was for the price of $1.44, and the bot bought this quantity, was the initial buy, as I said, on the 14th of August. You can see here, like, this session took quite some time. It's just more than 3 weeks, but we also closed this trade with profit, and this is what counts. And that's why also my other bots are like lower than the curve Dow currently, because I also have there some open positions which are not closed yet. So let's have a look what the bot did here. So bought with the price of $1.44, and then the market falls, so it bought new here for this price, reached cover 1, then it reached cover 2, 3, 4, 5. So with the cover 5, they already bought the curve Dow for $1.02. It went up again a little bit, so it could sell the cover 5, but went down and a bit up again. So yeah, it was just fluctuating. Then there was more down market, so it reached even cover 14, a little bit up, so sold cover 14 and 13, and so on and so forth, so up and down. But then on the 20th of August, it reached cover 17, and this is a price of 0.97 cents or dollars. Let's copy this. And remember this number. This is the lowest number which I could find in this trade, because you can also see here it's already above 1. So this is how it goes. So let's scroll all the way up to see the initial price again. And I already added these numbers into like the percentage calculator. This was the lowest price we had. This was the initial buy price. And you can see here that the market fell 76% or almost 68%. Did I say it's 76? I mean 67, of course. So it's almost 68% of market crash. And even here, we just recalculated with another way. So you can see 68% market crash. And now let's scroll all the way down to see how the bot performed in total, how much profit it made. Because as you can see here, like always when it sold some of the covers, we already made some small profits, not a big, but sometimes like just only 24 cents or almost 40 cents. So not a big sum, but let's have a look all the way down. You can see a lot of trades have been done. So, and here we got, session ended on the 9th of September and we made a total profit of a bit more than $55. And I have assigned this bot $1,000. So this means the market went down to 68%, but my bot made a profit of 5.5%. So this is something which I really like. And as you can see here, this is like a live, real example on how the bot has been trading, on how the bot is performing even in the down market. And this one is not just a lucky hit, but I found it with some of my YouTube colleagues, but also if you follow the webinars on Eazybot, you will find more examples where the bot even managed to handle 70% or even 73, 75%. So this is the common area which Eazybot generally can work pretty well. Though I know Eazybot is claiming up to 90%, but I have not seen any example yet. I will definitely now in the bear market check my tradings regularly, and if I find something which is bigger than this market crash here, which I showed you today, I will definitely let you know and do a follow-up video. But you can see Eazybot is really working well even now in this bear market. And if you want to try and test it, 2 trading coins are for free. Just use my link down below, and then I see you in the next video.